Hello you guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm sorry guys, but today my friend is not going to be joining and this video is going to be very short because I might not finish playing. So let's continue because it's like, what time is it? 7:35 in the night. So yeah, let's, while still skating. Chicken already gone. Chicken, what are you looking at? I'm so scared.
Hey, wow, day 4. I think you can do it.
I'm just gonna make a call. God, I don't know what to really do. Gun is right there. What the heck was that? Oh God! What the heck was that? What is that, guys? What is that? I've never heard of this in Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh God, I'm so scared. Oh God! Oh, you freaking! Oh! Oh God, that actually scared me though. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? What the freak? We might play another round. We have to play another round. Alright. Alright. God. Okay, let's do it. Continue. We have to. That was scary as freaking heck. Did you hear that? The sound? Oh God, that was so scary. I wish Edgar was here, but my friend Edgar. God, leave a comment below, guys. Please, if you're watching this, just leave a comment or leave a like. I don't got that much likes. Comments. I had a comment that when I was skating, it said keep up skating. So yeah, and he delivered it. I don't know why, but I don't know if I'm a bad YouTuber or something like that. But I don't care. Guys, if you're watching this, leave a comment below. What was that sound? Who did that sound? What was that about? Oh God. Freaking chica. Oh God. I'm gonna show my friends the video right now. I have to pass this video. I mean this game. This night, I mean. Oh God! I hate you! I wish Edgar was here. My friend Edgar. Oh jeez. This is so scary. She's right there. He's right there in the window. Sister. it's all good. Thank you, Chica. Oh, Bonnie. So good. Oh, good. I was gonna say what the guy says. Keep looking at me. Oh, God, he's looking at me again. He's looking at me again. He's so creepy. I swear. You are so creepy. Oh! I heard that. Wow, how did that happen? Oh, God. Freaking Bonnie jump scared me. Freak you, Bonnie. Alright. I'm just gonna stop playing this game. Oh god. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a like and please leave a comment below. What freaking sound was that? Like, tell me who did that sound? Who was it? Or what was it about? Just leave a comment. Why was that? Or was it part of the game? I don't know, but I will see you guys later. Bye.